Good morning, everyone. Here is the continuation of our report. Damaged extinguishers, leak, corroded, and otherwise damaged extinguisher shells or cylinders should be discarded or returned to the manufacturer for repair. So, like kanang nasa picture, naay chemicals nga nigawa sa iyaha sa babaw sa extinguisher. So, dili na siya pwede gamiton kay if ever imo na siyang magamit, posibilidad nga dili na pud kay siya mo function. So, much better nga ano siya return to the manufacturer para ma-repair ang iyahang daot. Next is testing extinguishers. Service test. Service test of an extinguisher is an operational test of the extinguisher to see to it that it is operating properly. So sa service test, kuan siya para mabalaan ang usa ka extinguisher if ever ga function ba siya properly kay panalitan na siya daot. So naay possibility nga if ever imo siyang gamiton dili na siya mugana kay na siya daot. Then second is hydrostatic test. It's an internal pressure check of an extinguisher cylinder or shell to detect possible failure. So ang hydrostatic is usa siya ka kuan pag-check sa usa ka extinguisher panalitan ng usa ka extinguisher na ba siya daot or unsay mga failure niya kay para inigamit di mo mag-function siya properly. Then the following are the extinguishers recommended for testing every 5 years. Cartridge operated water extinguishers, stored pressure water extinguishers, dry chemical with soldered brass or stainless steel, carbon dioxide. So kaning mga extinguisher need ni siya i-test every 5 years para mabalaan kung naa ba siya mga depekto or kanang mga daot-daot ang extinguisher para paggamit nimo dili ingon nga kuan mo makadaot pud sa gagamit kay panalitan mo kuan niya siya kanang naimanggawas ng chemicals niya nga makadaot pud sa kuan, so dili na siya pwede gamiton. Muna siyang kinahanglan siyang i-test every 5 years. Next is the types of extinguishers to be tested every 12 years. Katong gani is 5 years, kani is 12 years. So halon 1211 usap ni siya sa kuan kanang i-test siya usa ka extinguisher nga i-test every 12 years. Halon 1301 cartridge operated dry powder, stored pressure dry chemical with aluminum brass or mild steel shields, cartridge-operated dry chemicals. When an extinguisher fails a hydrostatic test, it must be destroyed. So, conditions which allow the destruction of extinguishers. So, when the shield is or cylinder threads are damaged, maguba ang iyahang threads or ang iyahang cylinder threads maguba. Then, when the extinguisher has been burned in a fire, beating exists due to corrosions or kanang naimugawas nga chemical sa taas niya. Next is the prohibited acts involving the operation of fire extinguisher. Rule 37, Section 18108 of the PD 1185. Number 1 is the remove of expansion tags attached to the fire extinguisher. So, ang fire extinguisher manggod is na siya yellow tag sa babaw niya na siya yellow tag. So, if ever imo to siyang matangtang, so prohibited acts na siya sa fire extinguisher. Refining a discharge extinguisher with an extinguishing agent other than what the unit was designed to contain. Number 3 is sealing extinguisher prohibited by Rule number 37, Section 104 of PD 1185. Sealing of defective mga extinguisher. Then using installing 2 or more thermic special hazard. Dayon, installing pressure gauge in a fire extinguisher which do not include actual pressure of an interior vessel such as but not limited to use between the gauge interior or fixing indicator. Then next is liquid. Fluids that do not generate more than 40 with heated 100 degrees. Then to determine whether a fluid should be classed as a gas or liquid. Procedures in testing. Place a fluid in a closed container equipped with pressure gauge, then raise the temperature with container and contents to 100 degrees. As the fluid vaporizes, creates a pressure, the gauge will show it. So panalitan, ang fluid is mo saka siya. So dito mo makita ang iyahang gauge. Then at the gauge reading to atmospheric pressure and absolute pressure is the normal sea level pressure of 14. Then here are the types of liquids: flammable liquids and combustible. So flammable liquids, these are liquids with a flash point below 100 degrees Fahrenheit and vapor pressure not over 40. Combustible liquids that have a flash point at above katong ganyan sa flammable is below man siya sa 100, ang combustible is above 100. So they are divided into the following categories: Class 2, any liquid having a flash point at above 100 and below 140. Class 3A, any liquid having a flash point at or below 140. And Class B, any liquid having flash point at above 200 gases. That's all. Thank you.